Welcome to my System.io thank you page tutorial where I'm going to be creating a landing page thank you page with System. If you'd like to follow along, I will leave my link down below where you can either test out System for free or simply use that for easier login access. Let's begin. So first and foremost, what I did is I went to funnels here and I did create a new one. I'm going to start right from scratch. So just to make it easier for you to follow along, I'm just going to call this thank you, even though you're going to have an opt-in page and a thank you page. But just for this example, I called it thank you. I'm doing build an audience here in currency US dollar. That's fine. Let's click save. From there, let's click on the actual funnel right here and we can start editing it. Alright, so up top we have a squeeze page. Like I said, I'm just going to ignore that. This is just going to be talking about the thank you page. So I'm going to click right here. And we have plenty of templates to choose from. I'm going to click on 30 here because I want to see more at a time. And you know, a lot of these are great. And anytime you're looking for something to utilize, just because it also says thank you for your payment and someone's not paying, maybe they're getting a free gift, something valuable, doesn't mean that you can't use these because you can always edit them around. Ideally, I look for something that's going to have a template similar to what I want to do, which is going to say have a video, have some text, and some steps. For example, something like this or this looks perfect. Let's just preview it very quickly. So video here, great. And then we have some steps and then like we can have a call to action. So that's a really good one in my opinion, but also change it around. Here's one that's similar. Let's look at this. Once again, we can change this around even if it's not for something they bought, like some steps. And then we have a button here for a call to action. That one is great too. I think both of those are good. I'm going to go with this one because it looks a little bit more plain. So I'm going to do select. And from here, we can edit our page. You could just call this like, thank you. Looks good. And then let's do edit page. All right. So you also might not even need any of this up top, right? You know, maybe you're not looking to add a home. Like there's just one goal on this. It's like, you know, thank you for opting in, so on and so forth. So as an example, I'm just going to say that this was someone opting in for a free gift. Okay. So let's change this around. Congratulations for opting in. Like, watch the quick video for your next steps, ... Okay. So I'm going to talk about what's going to be in the video. And if you don't want to use a video, that's completely fine. I just find it much easier that if someone's opting in, you know, you can always get it done quicker if you want. There are times where I do use a video and times when I don't. It's really up to you. In the beginning, what I like doing is just using text and I can always go back and edit it with a video later. But I do a lot of videos. So people who opt in to my, you know, squeeze pages and land on a thank you page, mostly already know what I look and sound like. So there's that. So we're going to have steps here and then usually you want to have some type of like call to action. So what we can do, we can look for a button. Where's the button? I know I passed it somewhere. There it is. Okay. So let's drag the button. I'm just going to put it right here. We can put something down here. So allow me to explain what you want to put here. So someone just opted in and they're looking for a free gift. Usually, if you're going to be sending it to your inbox, you want to say that on the squeeze page. So it says like, enter your best email where we can send your free gift to. Okay. So that's kind of what they're opting in, understanding that when they opt in, it's going to be sent to their inbox. I like saying that because if you put it just here, anyone can use their spam email and access it. But if it's going to be sent through the inbox, they actually have to use an email, you know, that is there so they can receive the gift. Just letting you know. So here's what I would talk about in the video. In fact, I'm just going to go over off the top of my head and give you some insight about what you can talk about or just write in text. So, hey, my name is James Canzanella. Thank you so much for opting in and getting your free cheat sheet about YouTube marketing. As promised, it's going to be sent to your inbox, but while it's being sent in the next minute, I just want to let you know a good idea of what you're going to be receiving and who I am. My name is James. I've been online successfully for well over 10 years and I have a lot of experience when it comes to content marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and pretty much having a profitable online business. Given the fact that you're interested in affiliate marketing, I'll be sending you plenty of emails in the future when it comes to tips and strategies for increasing your affiliate profits and of course building an affiliate marketing business that's lean, mean, and profitable. Aside from that, I do have one of my best affiliate marketing recommendations, which I will leave down below in case you want the quick start to getting started, something that has helped me significantly and I think it can help you a lot as well. So be sure to check that out. And then once you are done, go ahead and check your inbox for your free gift. My name is James. Thanks once again for opting in and I'll see you in the inbox. Okay. So overall, a quick rundown of that. In the beginning, you want to congratulate them. Hey, thank you for opting in. You know, sometimes people are like, there's no way I'm giving that person my email, but so sometimes it takes a lot of trust. You know, if they know you, obviously it makes it much easier. So I like congratulating them. 2, I reassure them that their inbox, they should need to check it after, give it about a minute or so. Their gift will be sent to their inbox. 3, I like letting them know who I am and what I do. My name's James, been doing this for over a decade. Also next, I like letting them know what they're going to be seeing in their future emails. Okay. So you're going to be getting affiliate tips, strategies, probably some reviews, demos, whatever it's going to be. And also last but not least, if you're really interested in succeeding with niche, I will leave my #1 recommendation down below. And this is where the button is going to be. So this could be your product. It could be someone else's. This could be a webinar. This could be a coupon code. This is a quote good, like I say, quote unquote real estate. So it's really up to you what you want to put here. Whatever you think is going to help your audience the most, something that's hot, something that's popular, something that you've had a lot of success with, you can put right there. So that's going to be that section. And of course, you can use these as steps. So, step 1. All right, there we go. So thank you for opting in. Your free gift will arrive in a few minutes, who you are and what you do and what to expect. And then check out my #1 recommendation down below. So you don't actually have to put that there, but if you're not doing a video, I would just write it out and then of course have the button right here. This of course you can link to. This wouldn't be submit form. This would be open URL. This would be, your #1 offer, whatever the link is to that, of course. We can do in a new window and that would be good. So that's where that would go. And pretty much that's going to be my very quick overview of a thank you page and what I like putting on it. Very easy to do. And that's why I like doing video, because one, when you get in front of the camera, they understand you're a real person. They know who you are. It's easier to know, like, and trust someone when you're actually, have your voice or your face in front. Either or is going to be good, right? But as stated previously, if you want to just get it done quick, write it in. And of course, you can always replace it with a video and then you're going to be good to go. So I hope you got some value out of this thank you landing page tutorial when it comes to Systeme. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And of course, if you want to test out Systeme, you can do that for free using the link down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.